Hey guys, I hope you all doing well. So V2 Intern is back with another episode, and today we have Harsh Khatri, who is the founder of Hexaverse. तो बिना किसी देरी के शुरू करते हैं. तो hey Harsh,
Hey Kunal.
so tell me something about yourself first.
So my name is Harsh Kumar Khatri and I am a founder of HexHybrids. So basically HexHybrids is a community through which we provide free of cost knowledge to people of the community through various different sessions, boot camps, and other opportunities which are available. We also share those opportunities with them. And till now, we have helped more than 12,000 students through our sessions and bootcamp and help them learn some new technology related to web development and mobile development.
Okay, sounds great. So how do you get the idea of Hexaverse?
So when I was I just became Microsoft Learn student ambassador previous year around April. So when I was a part of this community, I saw various different people working towards the community and creating their own communities regarding different or organizing some boot camps regarding same. So when we were organizing one of our first boot camp, which was related to web development, so it was 30 days of web development. So when we were creating or working on that bootcamp. So then I got an idea of creating one such communities, and then the rest is like we have worked on various different sessions and bootcamps and so on.
Okay, so Hexaverse का जो आइडिया था मतलब कि इसमें अभी कितने एम्प्लॉयज हैं मतलब कि
एज सच अभी एम्प्लॉयज़ वगैरह नहीं है, हम टोटल 5 फ्रेंड्स हैं जिन्होंने मिलके ये पूरा ऑर्गेनाइज किया था और जो भी सेशंस वगैरह किए थे। उसके अलावा डिफरेंट कम्युनिटीज़ थी जिन्होंने हमें सपोर्ट किया था, जिनके साथ कोलैबोरेट करके हमने ये सारे इवेंट्स वगैरह ऑर्गेनाइज किए थे।
and what are the problems you are facing regarding Hexaverse while running this startup?
So initial problem which we faced was all the people who are a part of this community, or you can say Hex Hybrids, were like not at all indulged or involved in this particular thing, because all of them were busy with all the things which they were having in their to-do list. So they have to complete all those things first. Once they got some time, we started working on regular meetings, having regular meetings and discussing our ideas, how the community will be like a few months after today and something like that. So we all started with that, and once we were decided and started working towards it, we ended up doing various different sessions. So the initial or the very first challenge which I faced was non-involvement of the people who were in the community, but now or most of them are already involved or are working fine, and we are working towards providing different opportunities as well.
And what are you doing currently? मतलब academics
I
से
am
purpose.
current Yeah, so I'm currently in my fourth year, so I'll be starting my fourth year from August at Career Point University, Kota. Apart from that, I am interning at Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Government of India. And apart from that, I am also a course instructor. So I have uploaded around 6 to 7 courses on Udemy. So I upload mostly 1 to 2 courses on Udemy, and there I have more than 7,000 students. And also, I was approached by Adionics for uploading my courses on their platform as well. So I'm doing that as well.
So how do you started posting your courses on Udemy?
So Udemy, basically when you approach someone or someone from Udemy approaches you seeing your courses on YouTube or any other platform, so they provide you with some initial details of how the things will be going on. So they provided me with I have to first sign up on their platform, then I have to register, then they will approve my account, seeing various different things on my background or anything. So once my account is approved, then then the instructor is provided with an instructor portal, and there we can upload all our courses. And once we are uploading our courses, then the team reviews it, and if there is something which can be improved, then they provide us with the details which need to be approved or which need to be improved. and then once we have improved those things, then the course is upon the platform.
Okay, and how do you manage your academics and your this startup?
Basically, I take up some time for managing it apart from the academics things. So if there are classes going currently, like there are vacations, but when the classes were going on or when the exams were going on, I try to take 1 hour or at least 2 hours out of my schedule. Like if I have to keep awake until 12 or until 2, then I try to finish my things related to this particular thing, like what I can say, posting blogs or like making videos, shooting videos, recording all of the stuff. So I try to take some time out for managing this apart from the academics and other things which I'm doing.
Okay, and how do you manage funds
Currently,
in
we are not
Hyderabad?
working on any funds, not working on any funds, but the funds which we are generating from the courses or from the ads revenue or something like that, it's not much. We have just started from the community has just started from the previous month only on the monetary basis. Before that, we were working on the free of cost basis, like all the things which we have organized were free of cost, but from the previous months, like we have started generating some amount of revenue. It's not much from our courses or from the ads which are being displayed on the website. So that's not much, but yeah, we have started, and we are thinking of what we can do with all these things like hiring interns and something like that. It has to be still planned.
And where do you see Hexabus after 5 years from now?
Frankly speaking, 5 years is a lot of time, and
Yeah.
like no one can predict what will happen. But I am sure if I do the things with consistency in the coming years, then I am sure that it will be some named community in the current communities which are present in like all over India. So it will be something named community, and people will be knowing about it, and more and more people will be a part of this.
ओके एंड हर्ष कभी कभी क्या होता है कि कॉलेज में ना बहुत सारे बच्चों के पास है ना स्टार्टअप के आइडियाज रहते हैं लेकिन यार वो मतलब परस्यू नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि उनको पता ही नहीं रहता कि क्या करना है पहले तो उनके लिए आप कोई सजेशन देना चाहेंगे?
तो इसका बेसिकली एक बस ये आइडिया हो सकता है कि अगर किसी भी चीज़ से रिलेटेड तुम्हारे मन में थॉट है, तो पहले उस चीज़ में जो लोग हैं उससे थोड़ा डिस्कस करो या उनके साथ बातचीत वगैरह करो, तो एक आइडिया मिल जाता है। कि जैसे अगर मैं बताऊं हेक्स हाइब्रिड्स का, तो अभी भी बहुत सारी कम्युनिटीज़ है, जैसे कोड फॉर कोर्स कॉज हो गई, और भी बहुत सारी कम्युनिटीज़ है जो इससे रिलेटेड काम कर रही हैं। तो उनसे अगर आप डिस्कस करोगे या उनको आप फॉलो करोगे कि क्या क्या स्टेप्स उन्होंने लिए, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम्स उनको आई, तो आपके पास एक बेसिक आइडिया हो जाएगा कि क्या आप कर सकते हो या ये पॉसिबल है भी या नहीं। क्योंकि आइडिया तो होता है, अगर अपन स्टार्ट भी करेंगे और 10 दिन करा, उसके बाद इंटरेस्ट खत्म हो गया या दिक्कत आने लग गई। क्योंकि मेरे साथ भी बहुत सारी शुरू में दिक्कत आई थी कि जो वीडियोस वगैरह डाल रहे हैं उस पर व्यूज़ नहीं आ रहे, जो सेशंस करा रहे हैं उसमें रजिस्ट्रेशंस नहीं आ रहे। तो ऐसी दिक्कतें आती है, तो उसके मतलब टीम से डिस्कस करो, उससे आइडियाज़ निकालो कि क्या इसका सॉल्यूशन हो सकता है। और उसके अलावा अगर कोई भी आइडिया है, तो यूं मत सोचो कि मैं इस पे 10 दिन बाद काम करूंगा या हफ्ते भर बाद काम करूंगा। उसके लिए टाइम निकालो थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा और उस पर काम करना चालू करो, क्योंकि क्या पता 10 दिन बाद आपके पास फिर वो टाइम नहीं है और वो 10 दिन और डिले हो जाए।
सही है एकदम। सो कॉलेज में ये आइडिया आपको आया था या फिर स्कूल से ही मतलब आपने सोच रखा था कि मैं कॉलेज में जाके कुछ ऐसा एक्साइटिंग करूंगा?
नहीं, मेरे को ये कॉलेज में ही, जैसे प्रीवियस ईयर आई मेंशन दैट आई वाज सिलेक्टेड फॉर माइक्रोसॉफ्ट लर्न स्टूडेंट एम्बेसडर एंड सम मोर अदर कम्युनिटीज एज वेल। So while being a part of those communities, I got that idea and I started working on it.
Okay, so it's nice to meet you, and we do intern is wishing you that your startup is keep going well. So this all for this interview, and thank you for having with us. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. It was nice interacting with you guys.